when you're building your wig collection, you absolutely want to make sure that you have a V-part in there somewhere, okay? A curly one to be specific. Wiggins has saved the day for me again. I actually had a pull day planned and I'm like, girl, what are we doing to our hair? So first things first, of course, fresh out of the box, I have their curly V-part unit. Of course, all the details will be listed down in the description box, of course, with like a direct link to the actual unit that I'm going to be wearing today. Now, y'all know I absolutely love to do V-parts, and as of lately, if you've seen some of my other videos, I typically install them without having any leave out at all. More of like a crochet loop to loop and pull method, okay? Shout out to SpongeBob. Anyway, of course, the hair is super soft, super long, and super full. I was kind of intimidated by it, I'm not gonna lie, but of course they had a ton of combs and clips inside of the unit just to make it super comfy and adjustable to my head. Sometimes I get nervous with the V-parts because I'm not sure if the cap is gonna fit appropriately, but this one had no issues. It actually provided the opportunity for me to be able to deepen up that part. Now, y'all know my hair is on the thick side, but absolutely fine. So it looks like I have a lot of hair, but you guys, my strands are individually fine. If you are like me, what's up, girl? Because so many of you guys are like, Chrissy, I've never found somebody with my texture. I think a lot of us are just afraid to show it. I mean, I'm not, so thank God that I am here, but like, you guys, it's okay. You don't have to have whatever imaginary hair you're coming up with. You don't have to have it, but you can absolutely switch up your look if that's something you're wanting to do. Whether you are natural or relaxed, doesn't really matter, okay? I'm going to show you how to quickly get the look. Now, we do have a couple of different options. We could have totally done a couple cornrows. If this is a style that you're like, Chrissy, this is the style for the week. Now, when it comes to blending our hair, I decided to keep things simple. I'm actually going to be trying out the curl cream from Fenty. This is the third time I've used it, and I really liked how it left my hair feeling soft. And then I went in with the Camille Rose. This is like a braiding conditioning gel. Y'all, I have not put this down since I found it, and it just makes it really easy to do like sleek backs. It doesn't really make my hair curl up too much, so it's really easy to work with. And instead of doing the cornrows, I kept it nice, simple, beginner friendly, and just decided to smooth my hair down. And then I did more of like a inverted braid, or you know, a plait essentially, in the back or the nape of my neck. I decided to split it into two because I didn't want it to be overly bulky, but y'all can see it's kind of self-explanatory. If you guys are not the best at braiding, that is okay. This does not have to be perfect. The goal is just to try to get it as flat as your head as possible. The good thing is this is curly hair. It's super full. So even if you needed to just get away with a quick little bun, okay, I'm not going to judge, but you want to be mindful that that can cause breakage. So if you can learn to braid, please do. It's definitely worth it. And yeah, I'm just going to secure everything with the bobby pin, and we are ready to just throw on the wig. Super easy. I kind of tied my hair in like a knot. Didn't worry about the nape area because, girl, nobody was going to see it. But y'all know I'm like all about same day hairstyles because when I get home, I only want to feel my scalp. I don't know what it is, but I have a hard time leaving styles in for extended periods of time. I don't like the tension, and this is why you will not see me doing a anchor braid for this particular unit. So sometimes you do it just because you know you're going to be wearing it for an extended period of time. I knew it was pool party, come home, shower, wash my hair, and kind of go from there. Like, but look at the hairline, super easy to blend. Everything already kind of gave that flip over method vibe. So if I wanted to even just throw on a cute little hat or a scarf from this point, I could have, right? A real illusion, okay, until it falls off. So let me show you how to blend it just to make things simple. Now my hair can kind of be a little funky. Sometimes I have heat damage ends, especially in this area, but I noticed that my hair was starting to revert back. So I was happy about that. I would actually, in this case, not have pre-sectioned it and twisted it and let it set like I typically do. I'm going to show you how to do that at the very end of this video just for maintenance purposes. But if you are on the natural side and you do have a bit of a little curl going on like I did, absolutely go in with that curl cream. Your hair will kind of wave up, and then you can decide what you want to do from there. I wanted to keep things really light and simple. I didn't overkill. I did actually at one point go through my hair and kind of get rid of some of the product because I felt like I just put way too much. And then just to really make this look a little bit more sleek and like thought out, I went in with a conditioning gel because it's super hydrating, moisturizing, but it also provides a little bit of a hold. So in the areas where I'm like, girl, I want to really show that middle part to really define it, make it look more believable, I added a little bit just in the base, and then I went on top of that with my Cream of Nature mousse just to like really hold my hair down and to help it blend with the curls. Now, ideally, because I'm doing this straight out of the box, obviously I'm in a rush, okay? I also added some face framing layers just to help my hair blend with the actual VPART as well. But in a imaginary world, because we have all this time and nothing else to do, okay? I would have absolutely had the unit completely wet. And then I would have just naturally wet my hair, applied a little bit of that curl cream, diffused my hair with the curly hair as well, so that it really creates a seamless blend. If you are somebody that doesn't necessarily have the texture that's gonna blend with this, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and just do some 2-strand twists. You can decide to do one flat twist or multiple individual twists. If you need to even put a little roller on the end just to have that curl of your own hair, please do it. Allow that to set up, whether you decide to wet it first, apply some products, and then go in with like a blow dryer just to get your hair dry. I promise you the blend will be there. I've done it in so many different videos. This is the first time in a long time that I've actually taken the curly hair and just straight up blended it with my own, and I was kind of proud. It looks so good. I was so excited. Just my hair is starting to really bounce back, and it's taken a full year and a few months for me to recover from overly heat damaged hair, from micro links, and then from that point trying out some different products, and girl, protein treatment ate my hair up. There's so many things that have happened. I really wish that I can just like get out of my own way and show you guys when it's happening in real time instead of talking about it later. Anyway, I call myself the hairstyle queen, so I'm always coming up with ideas and hair inspiration, but I think it's time to step into that hair maintenance also, because it's like, Chrissy, how did you get here, right? I'm showing you how to maintain it, how to get the style. I think that would be more of a cohesive thing for my brand, so definitely let me know in the comments if that's something that you guys would appreciate. But what I truly appreciated was the fact that Wiggins put so much thought into the construction of the wig. I was literally able to like pull this back as if it was my own hair. So even if I wanted to do a cute little like pull back, twist and tuck type of style with just the curls coming out, kind of cascading down like a little princess, girl, it could have been a vibe. But in this case, I really just wanted to go full blown va-va-voom. Okay, we have the curly long hair, and I felt like the hair was super soft. For this to have already been like pre-styled, fresh out of the packaging, y'all know typically I say wash and let your units air dry. I did not have that type of time, so I was very, very grateful to know that they had already kind of preset the curls. They did not look like they were like steam pressed and ironed like a pack of ramen noodles. Okay, y'all know what I'm talking about, some of these companies. Anyway, they did a great job. The hair was not shedding. From anything that I saw, it was given, okay, it definitely gave like vacation ready, beach ready. And I know we're going into fall, and sometimes we get afraid of doing the curly hair. I am 100%. I'm wearing whatever style I choose year round. There's really no restrictions there. Y'all know I do what I want when I can, and absolutely changing my hair is just who I am. It really makes me feel complete to know that like, girl, you are beautiful and you can get away with any style. And it's not just me, you can too. And I love when you guys send me your pictures and it's like, Chrissy, like I actually tried this and it worked. That really warms my heart and just lets me know that exactly what I came here to do, I am accomplishing that. So patch your weave, ladies. Okay, you guys are looking good and gorgeous. Don't be afraid to try something new, whether your hair is long, short, somewhere in between. I promise you, go through my playlist, go through my channel. I've been on YouTube now for about 10 years. You definitely will find something that will melt your heart as well. So Wiggins has been a staple in my collection, and if you are somebody that wants to wear this unit day in and day out, this is going to be your style of the week, the month, so on and so forth. You absolutely, now that you have that curl cream in there, literally you see I'm doing a quick little flat twist and that's it. I'm not even going to put a roller on it. I'm literally just going to twist it down. My hair was still very, very damp from the product. So if, for example, I decided I was going to go ahead and literally just go to sleep from this point, I could totally do that. By the time I wake up in the morning, everything should have been set. I would untwist it and it would blend seamlessly. And for the purpose of this video, yes, I absolutely installed this twice. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty. And of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye, babies.